I wonder where this leads. I really wonder where this fucking leads. Huh. Whoa. Mushrooms. Wait, what the fuck is this? Egg. It is giant egg. Hmm. Alright. You're coming with me. You're mine! You're mine! Sorry, Mafioso's line is stuck in my head. One of his voice lines. That always gets in my head. You're mine. No, I'm not yours. Chances. Yes, I'm always going to use a. Yes, I am going to use a double fedora reference. Of course. As long as it's necessary. As long as it fits the, like, what I'm talking about. Woo! Yippee! Oh shit! I dropped my fucking it. What the hell? Oh, I dropped in the fucking water. No wonder why it didn't crack. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. Can I go back in that? In that tiny little fucking current? Can I go back in that? It's a wind. Yippee! Yippee, yippee, ay, 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 ay. Oh. It's just like the regular eggs. It's an Easter egg. Oh, it's an Easter egg. Well, more adventures await. Let's go, spidery friends. Whoop. Fuck. Shit. Acorns. Where to go? Where to go? The fuck do I go? Alright, let's go here. Ooh, Rustling River. My favorite to die in. Get it? Because fucking rivers are known for many deaths. Because they're way faster than you think. Maybe we could go explore that one day. The giant river. Maybe one day. Anyways. Ooh. What is this?